Switzerland, just the name brings a smile to our faces. Wherever and whenever we see and hear the name Switzerland, we think of enchanting landscapes, luxury brand watches, and delicious milk chocolates. But do you know that Switzerland is much more than that? The snow-capped mountain peaks and crystal-clear freshwater lakes can make you faint at the sight of it. Most of the time we know about places to visit in Switzerland, but we are unaware of interesting facts about the place. That's why we've gathered for you some important facts about Switzerland that will blow your mind. 1. Switzerland has 7,000 lakes. With a surface size of 580.03 square kilometers, Lake Geneva is Switzerland's biggest lake. Lac Léman is the name given to 40.47% of the lake that is shared with France. Lake Neuchâtel, with a surface area of 218.3 square kilometers, is the largest lake wholly within Switzerland. You can drink from rivers and lakes since the fresh water is so clear. 2. Most innovative country in the world. Switzerland was ranked first for the 8th consecutive year, in 2018, as the most innovative country in the world in the Global Innovation Index. From a farming-based economy in 1860 to a land of startups today, Vaud's economy is now one of Switzerland's biggest and fastest growing, thanks to its large services sector, focus on niche markets, and diversified manufacturing base. 3. Highest peaks in Europe. Switzerland is home to numerous mountains which are over 3,000 meters high. A beautiful experience for hikers is the Chamonix-Zermatt Haute route, a 12-day classic alpine trek that will bring you straight to the well-recognized Matterhorn. With 48 mountain peaks that are above 4,000 meters, Switzerland has more high peaks than any other country in Europe. 4. Longest tunnel of the world. The Gotthard Tunnel in Switzerland is the world's longest, measuring 57 kilometers, or 7 kilometers longer than the Channel Tunnel between England and France. It took 17 years to complete. The Gotthard-based tunnel's principal objective is to boost local transportation capacity through the Alpine barrier. 5. Lowest crime rate. Switzerland is one of the world's safest countries. They have a very low crime rate, with the fact that they have one of the highest rates of gun ownership. Switzerland hasn't had a mass shooting since 2001 when a man stormed in the local parliament in Zug, killed 14 people, and then himself. The country's overall murder rate is nearly zero, at just 45 people per year. And moreover, they are some of the happiest people in the world next to Denmark and Finland. 6. Creux de Van. In the course of millions of years by water and ice erosion, this gigantic rock arena was formed. Its steep rock walls with their horseshoe shape offer one of the most grandiose panoramas in Switzerland, which includes chamois and ibex sighting gives. 8. Sundays are important. In Switzerland, Sunday means not mowing the garden, hanging out the laundry, hitting with a hammer, or doing anything else that might disturb the peace of the neighbors. Working on Sundays is not welcome. 9. You cannot give your child the name you want. It is illegal in Switzerland to give a child a name that could harm the child's interests. There are also some names that you are not allowed to give. 10. The third happiest country in the world. The concept of livability is used to determine which places in the world offer the best or worst living conditions. Stability, health, culture and environment, education and infrastructure are the 5 broad categories they look at. Zurich and Geneva are said to be 2 of the most lively and livable cities in the world. Switzerland has a strong sense of community and a strong belief that it is a safe and clean country, which is statistically accurate. Switzerland is one of the safest countries in the world, along with Iceland and Denmark. 11 women started voting in 1971. Switzerland was one of the last countries to allow women to vote at the federal level. Women began to vote in 1971. However, the district or canton of Appenzell-Innerrhoden did not allow women to vote locally until 1991, when the Swiss Federal Supreme Court ruled. The canton is the smallest canton in Switzerland by population. Red Cross founded in Switzerland. This is not a well-known Swiss fact, but it is no coincidence that the flag of the Red Cross resembles the Swiss flag. It just shows the proud Swiss roots of the Red Cross. The Red Cross was founded in 1863 in Geneva, Switzerland, where its headquarters is located to this day. If you like my video, you can subscribe and like.